Well, look who it is, if it ain't Miss Bluella. No surprise here. I understand how I'm going in here to feed the rest of the chickens and let them out. But yet, she just don't give a fuck no more. She really don't. Just fuck living in the coop. She want to live in the tractor. What's good, gang? Right there. Boy, pretty, ain't he? Get the fuck away from me, crazy. He used to be crazy as hell. He used to not even let me touch him. Boy, done calm down a lot. All right, y'all, so it's been a minute. But I told you I was coming back with a farm vlog. So here we go. You already see where I'm at. If your boyfriend pull up to that, you already know this motherfucker owns some type of animal. He owns some cows, some chickens, damn goats, some pigs, or a motherfucking llama. Got my chicken feed. Just want y'all to hear this country ass music. Didn't get their little exercise for the day. Got Babe, Bluella, Red Star, Big Dog, Crazy. That's one of the new hens. That's a blue Andalusian. We'll go ahead and till this ground up that's in here, mix all this chicken shit up. Then we gonna let the winter do what it do. Let the snow push all the rest of it down. And by spring, you know, they have some nice new dirt to deal with. Cause right now it smell like chicken shit. Oh, god damn it. God damn. Alright, I'll try to show y'all what it looked like in here before. Gotta clean all this bullshit up, till it's ground up, get it right for the year, or right for the winter. A bunch of rocks then came to the surface in here. It wasn't hardly any rocks in here. When I first made this a pen for him, it goes to show you how fast ground settles. So we'll go ahead and get this cleaned up and on to cleaning some chicken shit out the coop. All right, y'all, so that's the after. Definitely looks a lot better in there. This is all the shit that came up while I was tilling. Goddamn metal and rocks and old ass twine, all kinds of shit in there. All right, so now it's time to
like and follow for part 2.
Get to it. What the hell?